Annyeong everyone, this is Ju from SoJooCars, and today I'm here in Ford Global City, and this is the 2021 Ford Ranger Raptor X. Only 200 units will be made here in the Philippines, and this one costs 40,000 pesos more than your normal Raptor, which costs 2,038,000 pesos SRP. Now, will your 40,000 pesos additional worth your money? Let us find out. But I can tell you as early as now that you will get more than what you pay for. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please contact my boss, my idol Jericho here in Ford Global City for your Ford inquiries. He has been here for 20 years. Thank you. In our channel, we say, 시작. The Ford Ranger Raptor X has the same dimension, has the same performance, with a ground clearance of 283 millimeters with the wading depth of, yes, this one has 850 millimeters of wading depth. For its powertrain, it has a 2.0 liter bi-turbo engine. For its performance, it does 210 or 213 PS at 3,750 RPM with a maximum torque of 500 Newton meters of torque at 1,750 to 2,000 RPM. It has a 10-speed automatic transmission. It has paddle shifters, magnesium paddle shifters with 80 liters of fuel tank capacity. The Raptor has a terrain management system with 6 modes: normal, sport, grass, gravel, mud, sand, rock, and Baja mode. Yes, this one has Baja mode. Electric power assisted steering, aluminum double wishbone with Fox Racing shocks, internal bypass dampers and anti-roll bar, coilover shock with Fox Racing shocks, internal bypass, reservoir dampers, and Watts link. If you're a fan of pickups, you should know well that many of the pickups come with lift spring. But this Raptor has the Watts link suspension, which is the same with the Everest. So the Everest already gets a nice suspension. How much more when you have the Fox suspension? So this one has so much value for your money. So you really need to get this one right now. Ventilated front and rear disc braking system with e-locking rear differential. Comes with 17-inch alloy wheels with 33-inch BFG all-terrain KO2 tires with a size of 285/70R17s. For the exterior, you get unique Raptor X exterior trim styling in matte black, unique over-the-top and side body stripes, heavy-duty bash plate with red painted toe hooks, extended leg tubular sports bar, LED headlamps with auto on and off function. Well, these are just the same. Interior, you get unique Raptor X interior trim styling in red and gray accents. And the Raptor X is offered in Arctic White, Conquer Gray, and Performance Blue. In short, the Raptor X has unique over-the-top and body side stripes, matte black grille and bumper, extended leg sports bar, red stitching interior accents, and matte black 17-inch alloy wheels. Now let me show you the differences with this Raptor X and the regular Raptor. First, we start here in the grille and the bumper. They are finished in matte, so they look extra strong. And down here we have this recovery hooks. It used to be black, now it is in red. Here on the hood, you have this nice, unique Raptor X decals with this red and striped looking design that goes all the way to the roof. By the way, guys, this is how the key looks like. Yeah, it says Raptor. Well, the key looks really standard and normal because it doesn't have any other function, but it looks really cool with the Raptor written on it. Next difference would be these decals. They are like, you know, they placed plenty of makeup on this Raptor. Yes, most of the upgrades are aesthetics and it just looks more special. And you only have 200 of this here. So that does give you a lot of value in return because this one also has a lot of nice things there at the back. So let's get to that. Here on the side, this 17-inch alloy wheel became matte finish. And then all the way on the side, you will see the same type of decal that you saw here in front. And this one, so you also have some dividers here. It goes smaller and smaller. Here is the extended leg sports bar, the tubular sports bar. Now, this one alone, I'm guessing that it will cost more than 40,000. It also comes with a top mount brake light. It also comes with some items there just for you to install. So this is actually a good deal for you. More decals here, and the logo became black. It used to be blue. Now Ford is no longer blue oval. They are becoming black oval. And the rest are actually the same. But the decal, the sports bar, or the tubular extended leg sport bar, that is already enough to compensate the 40,000 increased. Here also, we didn't have the stickers here. Now we have. Now let's check inside. Ta-da! The door panel, yes, this area, it used to be blue. Now it is in red. Even here, it is all in red. Also here in the dash, everywhere you would find the stitching, they have turned red. It used to be blue. Also here. So the Raptor looks more sporty now. As you know, this is a sport SUV. This is a sport pickup. This is for performance. And it is race tuned from casa itself or factory. So this is a proven vehicle. It has become favorite pickup to many, and this is your chance to have it even better. So please contact Mr. Jericho if you want to purchase this one. I mean, 200 all over the, just nationwide, that's really few. By the way, this color combination doesn't change even though you have a different body color. So you will see the same color of interior when you purchase your Raptor. This is the engine bay of the Raptor X. There are two turbochargers here, and this is the expandable hose that will work together to get the maximum output from the engine itself. It has nice insulation. It also has hydraulics. Very easy to open this and very easy to close the Raptor. This is the start of the Raptor. One of the highlights of a Raptor, 2.5-inch Fox Racing shocks. Just look at that nice blue. But now we don't have blue stitchings, but we have red. Now this is the underside of the Ford Raptor X, and here is the 2.5-inch Fox Racing shocks. Also, you get a full-size spare tire. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This was Ju from SoJooCars. If you want to reserve this one right now, please contact Mr. Jericho here in Ford Global City. Very rare upgraded unit, very rare limited unit. So you need to contact now. Like Reserve first before you think. You need to do that because this is extremely rare. And with that, I will see you in the next video. May your dreams come true. 안녕.